Hello, guys. My name is Ehato Christian Osaze, and you are welcome to the Real Talks Nigeria. Now, in the Real Talk Nigeria, of course, as usual, we talk about productivity mindset and property mindset. So, quickly, let us go into the business of the day. Now, today we are looking at the need, or what we call the power of hunger. The power of hunger. Now, if you are not hungry, it will be difficult for you to pursue the object of the things that you naturally crave for. Every man is gifted by God with the power or the ability and the faculty to be hungry for one or two things. Now, when we talk about hunger, the mind of people easily and quickly go to hunger for food and thirst for water. But people find it difficult to understand that for you to create success, you must be hungry for success. Let me give you an example. Think about a young athlete, either a basketballer or a footballer. Now, the amateurs are hungry to break into the professional league because they know and they believe that that is where the money is. And as a result of their hunger, they are able or they are willing to do whatever it will take them to quench that hunger or that taste for professionalism or to break into the Premier Leagues or the A-list athletic championships. So the same is can be said of businesses and individuals who are hungry for success. Now, one of the things that easily comes to my mind is when Jesus, after fasting for 40 days and 40 nights, became hungry. As a result of the hunger, he went towards the object that he believed could relieve the hunger and suppress the hunger that was created as a result of the fast. One thing I've discovered about a fast is that the fast would set you apart and set your mind apart and set your body apart so that you can see clearly. And when Jesus, of course, got to the object that he believed would solve his hunger, he discovered nothing but fig leaves. There was no fruits. And he got angry. And then, of course, he made a pronouncement and said, "No man eat fruit of thee henceforth and forever." And immediately he turned his back. The scripture said that the tree dried from the roots. So the tree was disconnected from the source of productivity. So quickly, let us also look at another example. That is the example of Peter. Peter, when he was hungry, the scripture said, while he waited for food to be made for him, he fell into a trance. So I have discovered that one way to see into the realms of the subconsciousness of man is to engage yourself to extract power from hunger. I've discovered that people who remain forever hungry are able to build up their capacity to receive, their capacity to produce, and their capacity to stay creative. Good. So, how do you satisfy your hunger? First, you need to know the source where your hunger or the needs or the things that you're hungry about can be met. Take, for instance, somebody who is hungry for knowledge. Naturally, books becomes the object through which you can get your hunger for knowledge to be met. And then secondly, people. You need to pay attention to people because people have solutions to the problems that you have. If your problem is hunger, which of course I encourage you to be, look out for people. Someone said, and I believe, You would always have problems where you have people. And it is people that have solutions to your problem, that people will pay any price to get solutions to their problems. So I would encourage you, for you to be productive, for you to be creative, to constantly be hungry for productivity and creativity. If you are looking for success, academic success, be hungry for academic success. If you are looking for financial success, be hungry for financial success. If you're a young lady, you're a young man, you want to get married, you think that is the next thing to do with your life, stay hungry for the right kind of person to complement your life. Okay. So now, that reminds me of two things. First, I would like to introduce to you or reintroduce to you our book, Real Estate as a Source of Income, Creating a Mindset, all right? Creating a productivity mindset in Nigeria and Lagos. Real estate as a source of income, creating a productivity, creating a property mindset in Nigeria and in Lagos. You can get the book online. Just go to um, christmas.com/real estate as a source of income. There you would get the copy, the ebook, which is 5,000 naira, real estate as a source of income. Okay, christmas.com/real estate as a source of income. All right, that's for the ebook. But then to get the hard copy book, it is christmas.com/real estate as a source of income too. Real estate as a source of income too. So the hard copy is 12,000 naira if you are buying online. But if you can come to our office and pick up a copy, you can get it for 10,000 naira. The extra 2,000 naira is for delivery cost should in case you order for the book online. So real estate as a source of income. The subtitle is Creating a Property Mindset in Nigeria and ECOWAS. It's out and you can get it out there. Now, we're also excited about our forthcoming workshop. Okay, it is called the Lagos Productivity Workshop. It would take place on Saturday, 28th September 2024 by 10 a.m. at the National Library of Nigeria, Rotterdam Hall, 227 Herbert Macaulay Way, Alagomeji, Yaba, Nigeria, Yaba, Lagos, Nigeria. And then the registration link for the Lagos Productivity Workshop is christmas.com/productivity. Christmas.com/productivity. The topic that we are treating is how to make 1 naira or more in Lagos. Very funny, but it's true. A lot of people find it very extremely difficult to make money in Lagos. How do you make naira in Lagos? Depends on the amount of naira you want to make. Some people struggle to make 1 naira, some 100 naira, some 1,000, some 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion. Whatever unit of naira you intend to make in Lagos, the economy of Lagos is big, but you need to contribute to the productive pile of Lagos. You need to contribute to the wealth of Lagos. You need to contribute to the riches of Lagos. And to do that in the center of excellence, you need to be productive. So on Saturday, 28th September 2024 by 10 a.m., we shall gather. Students, content creators, workers, and businesses shall gather together to discuss how to make 1 naira in a tough economy like Nigeria, like Lagos. You have to be productive, You have to be creative. But how can I, with my productivity and my creativity, make 1,000 naira, 10,000 down to 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million? Banks are making billions of naira, declaring billions of naira productivity returns on their productivity. And then, of course, we said we have four categories of people, three to four. The first one being students. Registration for students is 1,000 naira. For content creators, registration for content creators is 5,000 naira, and for workers, it is 10,000 naira. And then, of course, for businesses or ministries or churches, it is 100,000 naira, meaning that you can come with a group of people if you register for 100,000 naira. You can come in with as many as 10 people. You can come with a team so that you can come together. It's a workshop. It's not a seminar. It's not a conference. It's a workshop. We will practically sit down together and ask ourselves, this is what we have. How do we make more of what we have in Lagos, not outside Lagos? So people from outside Lagos can come in for the workshop. The registration link once more is christmas.com/productivity. And then for inquiries, if you want to make inquiries, the number to reach out to is Chris +234 703 774 5735. Chris +234 703 774 5735. And then, of course, you can also reach out to Jane. All right. The number is +234 806 036 3102. I take it again. Jane +234 0806 036 3102. That those are the numbers to reach out to through WhatsApp or through SMS or through voice note calls and call. Don't forget, the Lagos Productivity Workshop will be taking place in the city of Lagos in Yaba Alago Meji at the National Library of Nigeria. All right. Herbert Macaulay Way, Alagomeji. The number is 227 Herbert Macaulay Way. You cannot miss it. Just ask for the National Library of Nigeria. It is along the expressway. Just driving, depending on where you are coming from, into the National Library and then ask for Rutuda Hall. So that's it. And then let me also add this. For people who are special, people that have special challenges, it is free. If you have special challenges, that is, you are bodily challenged, all right, it is free. We are making 10 slots free for people who are, you know, um, physically challenged. So that's it. And like I said, in the Real Talks Nigeria, we talk about productivity mindset and property mindset. My name is Ehato Christian Osaze. I would encourage you to stay hungry for the things that you desire, especially happiness. Stay hungry for your own personal productivity and for your own happiness. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching this special edition of the Real Talks Nigeria with Chris Ehato. God bless you. See you until we come your way again. Bye.